Hello friends, I'm Colonel Chehel, and through this video I would like to invite you all defense aspirants who are writing the NDA written exam on 14th of September. We in Olive Greens are running a 8 weeks course which is split into 8 weekly modules. So that means आप किसी भी Monday से join कर सकते हैं. But now that you have very limited time, आपको 14 September को तो exam ही लिखना है. So you must have at least 3 to 4 weeks with you to work on yourself after our 8-week course is over. And therefore, I would recommend that you join from the coming Monday itself. The USP of Olive Greens is that we have a separate teacher for every subject. I mean, you will not find the same teacher running classes for all the general studies subjects. So we have a separate teacher for geography, history, polity. Even for sciences, we have a separate teacher for physics and chemistry and a separate one for biology. Of course, we have a separate teacher for English as well as maths. So you will be put through this course in a manner which is very professional. Every Monday, you will have a test on the OMR sheet, exactly the same way as it will happen in the UPSC exam, so that you get a fair idea कि भाई ये जब negative marking होगी उसको कैसे circumvent करना है, and how to actually fill up the OIR, how to mark it properly, because sometimes you make mistakes in that as well. तो जो भी आपको हफ्ते में पढ़ाया होगा उसका every Monday there will be a test. Secondly, we aim to not have a class size larger than 45. So whenever we have more candidates, more than 45, we have another batch. So therefore the class strength is less and the teacher to student ratio is very, very appropriate. Also, we have a policy in Olive Greens that we do not allow mobile phones in the classrooms, and therefore their chances of getting distracted are very little. So you'll have your complete attention on your subject. Also, you're aware that NDA exam mein the questions are not very direct. There are all application kind of questions, and therefore the program that we've devised is made like that कि उसमें आपको subject knowledge improve करने के लिए we teach you important topics using PowerPoint presentations ताकि आपको अच्छे से समझ आए उस subject के बारे में. As also the study material that we provide to you in Olive Greens, it is very, very nicely made. It is a lot of attention has been paid to that while making the study material, and therefore you will find it very useful. In fact, at the end of every chapter, you will find worksheets for that chapter. Also, additional worksheets are given to you in the class, and previous examination papers are given. Also, we have a huge question bank which is discussed in the class very frequently. So that gives you a fair idea of how the question paper pattern is going to be, and also how to answer those questions. Most importantly, in Olive Greens, we ensure that we monitor your progress. So every week's results are compiled and you're aware where do you stand, how you need to work, which subject you need to work more on. Also, once you leave Olive Greens and you go away after these 8 weeks, we form these WhatsApp groups where you are at absolute liberty to get in touch with the teachers and ask them any doubts that you may have. You can even visit the institute, there is no problem at all. And also there is a good news that all those candidates who get recommended, last year we had a very good result. We had close to about 43% candidates making it in the written. So we have a policy that all those who have trained with us for the written, we give them a 50% concession for the SSB program. So naturally, your SSB preparation gets taken care of. Also, while you are in the hostel, we have proper AC classrooms where in the evening you have enough time to sit and study, especially on Sundays because you have an exam on Monday. So you get ample time and opportunity to prepare for that. And evening times you have proper study periods which are monitored by a Lieutenant Saab who stays with you in the hostel, and he closely monitors your progress. Of course, any difficulties that you have, he will be following up with all of those, and you are counseled all along. So that is a very big advantage that we have a follow-up system for all our students. So I would not want you all to wait anymore. You should pick up your phone and immediately register for the NDA course, which is going to start on Monday. The duration is 8 weeks, and the classes are from morning 9 to about 2:30 in the afternoon in the institute location, and then it continues in the evening in the hostel location, where you carry out self-study. So it is a great opportunity for you to immediately register and join up. All the details, the telephone numbers, etc. are given below, or you can go to our website, which is www.olivegreens.co.in. So if you visit that, you'll find all details about the course fee and about the registration process, etc. However, you can call up on this number also, which is given below, and register immediately. So all the best. Looking forward to seeing you very soon in Olive Greens. God bless.